Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese garlic bread in an air fryer. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need some good quality bread, softened butter, fresh garlic, and your preferred cheese. Make sure your butter is at room temperature, about 2 tablespoons, and mince 3 cloves of garlic. This preparation ensures a smooth and flavorful start to our delicious snack. Now, let's create that irresistible garlic butter. In a small bowl, combine your softened butter with the finely minced garlic. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of black pepper to enhance the flavors. Stir everything together really well until it's a smooth, fragrant mixture. This is the heart of our cheese garlic bread, so take your time to get it right. With our garlic butter ready, it's time to assemble the bread. Take each slice and spread a generous amount of the garlic butter mixture evenly across the surface. Next, sprinkle about 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the buttered bread. You can also add a touch of dried parsley for a pop of color and an extra layer of flavor. Get ready for the magic. Finally, let's get this deliciousness into the air fryer. Carefully place your assembled cheese garlic bread slices into the air fryer basket, ensuring they are in a single layer. Air fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Serve your warm, crispy, and cheesy garlic bread immediately. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.